Hi, my name is Alman, working at Greymouse for Heartscope. I'm the newest member of the team. I have been in customer service in several BPOs for a few years, yet nothing can compare to the experience that I am getting here at Greymouse. I assist patients in scheduling their appointments with Heartscope clinics, ensuring smooth coordination and efficient use of resources. I can manage the task and ensure timely completion by following the rules and the things that Ramos taught me during the training. And every day that I enter the office, I am learning new things.